Hey guys, and I know it has been a while since I made a video. It's just been crazy, and I got a new game, and we will be playing Plants vs Zombies Garden Warfare 2, and you will be playing.
Hello!
So let's get straight into it.
And I control the white controllers.
Okay, we're back, and we will be playing. So June will be joining in a minute. So,
I'm right here.
And now we'll just leave this game. And tell me in the description what your favorite Plants vs Zombies character is. And because for Plants vs Zombies Garden Warfare 2, mine is Cop Coordinator. June, what is your player favorite?
My favorite plant is.
Let them just say.
It's orange.
That's Jude's favorite. What's your favorite zombie? Mine's the M.
Mine is super bright.
Yep. Cool.
I'm not going to beat a zombie because I don't want to beat it. I don't want to beat the orange.
And the reason I'm making a video is because I promised my friend and I have to keep my promise. So yeah.
Yep.
And it's not gonna lie, I'm sorry, but
Oh yeah,
that's
my favorite character. I don't want to be this guy.
Jude, no.
I want
Jude.
him.
Wait, I think I can yeah. Cup one. B.
I'm popcorn too.
Hey, no, you can't be cup one.
Yes, I can.
No, that's my favorite. Jude, I will be opening the portal. Crazy settings.
The orange. Because I want the orange in my favorite planet. Where are you? Orange juice! Where are you? I can't see you. I can't find you. What's this?
Come on, get in here.
Yeah, I can't find it.
Jude.
There.
So. See ya.
I almost went into the ball.
Zen.
Whoa. Zen Peak? What is this?
Zen Peak.
Pink.
Oh, Zen Peak.
Yeah.
I
am the orange. Without the orange.
Can't be him.
But that looks cool. I'm the orange guy. That's why I'm orange. Where's the orange?
Okay.
I just pressed the orange.
I'm
I'm ball forever. I am a ball in the middle of the road. Or if I do, my mother will say, let's see. I'm speeding up. I can speed up. Whee! Whee! No! Super brave!
I'm going to the orange.
I'm with him!
You moved him.
No, I want to die. So I can be on corner. Oh my goodness, how does he die? I thought he died. No! I pressed B! Can we? Please. But I don't want to be him.
Then how you get out of that ball?
Oh my goodness! Oh! I'm Colonel Corn. I just died by that scientist. No, I'm not going back there. I'm Colonel Corn. Wait, I just jumped super high.
Goodbye. Yeah, buddy. I put low gravity, so.
Whoa!
Okay, still on. Let's go.
Ow! I just...
Stop. No.
Hey, you...
Watch this. Let's do this. Who wants it? I have unlimited power.
Unlimited?
No.
I can coin power. Ow! Who just did that?
Stay on. We got
Whoa!
Evan's secret.
Who just shot me? Oh, you.
Boom. George.
I'm Colonel Corn, just like I wanted to. What? Hi, plant. Ow! Someone just shot me! Oh no, that guy just died. Oh no. Ow! Owie! Next round, let's be both zombies. What? Oh my goodness! I don't want to be Colonel Corn. I want to be pea shooter. I'm a pea shooter. Who's doing that? Oh, Yui? Babooies? Ouchies! Petey! No! You Inky Pink! You Inky. I'm going to be Caramel Corn. Who? Oh wait!
Close your eyes.
Owie.
Sorry, guys. Close your eyes.
I already looked.
You can't look at
Just looking at my controller.
Okay, you can look now.
What? You traded me! Did you kill me?
Me.
You were the one that killed me.
Whoa, that's cool. I did not kill you.
One time you were a zombie.
This is my first time being a zombie.
What is it?
Yeah, it is.
Goodbye, world!
Kill me. Orange,
Oh!
kill me.
Oh, yay!
Orange, yeah, kill me. Please kill me. Orange, did you kill me?
Nope.
Kill me! Kill me!
I am the ink.
Kill me!
I'm ink. I'm this guy.
Thank you.
Why do I have an orange ball? Pew, 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 pew.
It's a
Ouchie! Ouchie! I believe I can fly. Pew, pew. Hello. Hey, that's pretty much it. I don't want to be the EP Kinky. Oh, I'm never going to trade this team.
Never.
Never.
It's a never.
Whoa! Oh, I can't be that guy, but he looks so cool. Let's be.
So I got stuck in the gravity
Yeah,
ball.
so I'm doing the
Georgia, I
army
got stuck.
zombie. I'm the army zombie.
I was stuck in a gravity ball.
Pew pew! Pew pew pew! Pew pew pew! And then, oh no. Zombie. I got a rifle. I could die for real. I wanted to die because I don't want to be the zombie. I want to trade this team.
You said you were gonna trade it.
No, I want to be this one. I'm Superman, guys. Superman! what's it? Okay, no one's here. Okay, get me. Oh my god, I'm super bright! Oh no. Oh! Oh no. Whoa! That was cool. How did that just happen? Who won? Us.
Beat ya. In your face!
I was actually half on the point.
Oh, I was in first.
And you were
Second,
on
third, fourth, fifth.
Who? Which one were you? Oh, you weren't on there. Let's do it again. That was fun. That was fun.
This time,
Guys, that was pretty
we're
fun.
playing Raise the Flag.
Wait, yeah, we're going to capture the flag.
Raise the flag.
Let's raise the flag.
You'll see.
That is still going to be on that team.
Yes, on zombie team.
Yeah, because I like
You're evil.
No, I'm not.
Drip. Go in you.
Oh! No. I don't want to be him.
Go in this.
I am going to be the fabulous Colonel Corn. How are you? I found you.
I'm raising the flag. Wait, why won't we raise the flag? That's stupid.
It's the pea shooter.
That's stupid.
I'm a pea shooter. Pea shooter. I
Is
see a
he?
big ball. What's it?
That's my quest board. Don't go on it, okay? Jude,
Cool.
I told you not to go on my quest board.
What's a quest board? Shoot that pea. Shoot that.
Whoa.
Shoot that big ball, orangey thingy. Orange thingy. Hey, that's your ship. Oh, that thingy. This thingy is your dad.
Quest board.
What's that? Fire explosion. What's that?
Oh, hi, Booby. Can I talk to you, please?
Oh, that's you. That's our boss.
I'll destroy all this stuff that you want. Talk.
I'll show you your house. Ah!
Yeah.
Where is he? Oh, I put that here. Okay. I got the zombies. Ah!
I've destroyed his house.
You're sweet.
Talk to me!
He's not real. That's not a real boss. Ah! Chicken! Chicken! Kill that chicken! You got packs!
No, I'm buying a pack of more.
I will pack. What the heck?
250, nice.
Can we open all the packs?
No, I'm going to open two. Die house. I will literally destroy his house because he won't talk to me.
The pet's not here. I'm finished.
Where's my pet?
Wait, you have a pet?
Whose is this?
I don't